Hey, I'm Mike, and this is my audio series Mic'd Up with Mike, where I discuss TOA's outstanding product lineup. Tag along for this new installment. The N-8000 schedule software is software that permits the control of the N-8000AF Audio Interface Unit. This software grants access to the bell schedule and bell configuration on the existing portion of the N-8000 programming. With this software, multiple users can be granted access to amend the schedule. I will now demonstrate the steps of how to access the software and work with the schedule and bell configuration. All right, let's jump in. Okay, so this is the N-8000 schedule software instructional video. After you have purchased and installed the N-8000 schedule software, you'll need to register before you can proceed to make adjustments. Open the software and click the Register Now button. In here, you can fill out the username, the email address, the password, and confirm passwords. When done, you can go back and restart the software to enter and make changes. After registration is complete, you can enter the email address associated and password to enter the configuration screen. After registering and logging into the software, you will be directed to this screen. In here, we can modify our existing schedule, add new events to our schedule, as well as change the schedule that we want to run. Before we can make any changes, we have to ensure that we have the correct setting information. Click the Setting button in the top right-hand corner. In here, we will enter the IP address of the N-8000AF that is doing the bell scheduling. Then we will enter the system name and the password for the system. If you are unsure of these details, contact your installer or TOA Canada for assistance. After we have confirmed that we have the correct setting information, we can then click Refresh. This will refresh our screen and pull back the latest schedule loaded to our equipment. As we can see, we have some existing events. First, if we want to modify an event, we will simply click the event, and then this will open the window, where we can change the name, the date, the time, and the days of the week that this event will occur. In addition, we can change the paging zone as well as the bell source that will be used for this paging event. When done, be sure to click Update. After clicking Update, the software will prompt you to save and upload your file. This is important as no changes will happen live. Click OK, and then click Save to File. You will be prompted to save it, and then you can overwrite existing configurations or give it new names. If overwriting, you'll be prompted to overwrite. When complete, we then have to click Browse. We will select the schedule we just modified and then click Open. When done, we will click Upload Schedule. This will then upload our changes to the N-8000AF, and the bell schedule will reflect the changes. Creating a new event is just as easy as modifying an event. We will do this by clicking New Event. Then we can enter a name, the hours, the minutes, and the seconds that we would like this event to happen. We can then choose the days of the week that we want this event to occur. Then we can enter the paging zone that this schedule event will be heard in. If you are unaware of the paging zones for your system, please contact your installer or TOA Canada for support. Lastly, we will have to choose the bell source that we want for this event. When done, we will click OK, and then be prompted to upload again. Be sure to remember to save the file, select the file, and then upload it to your device. We have the ability to make up to 16 schedules with the N-8000AF, and we can do so by clicking the Schedule tab that corresponds with that schedule. From here, we can create new events and create a whole new schedule to operate. To enable a different schedule, we'll simply click the Enable Schedule Number box in the top. We will select the schedule we would like, save the file, upload the file, and then the unit will reflect that schedule change. We can make advanced changes to our schedule by adjusting the bell source duration time. This time is how long in seconds that each bell source will ring for. Please remember that sources 1 through 5 are audio tones, whereas sources 6 through 9 are contact closures. Always remember, you have to save your file, browse the file, and then upload the file to the device to ensure that the proper changes are reflected. If you'd like more information on the N-8000 schedule software, please be sure to go to our website at toacanada.com for more details. Thanks again for watching.